Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela, Dr. Conrad ke Sangma, Ulawan Menteri Perda yu Mawnongrim, mensenai ke Surok Pasyih-Garrampani Road, Kaba long mentakas ngi, haka jing dan lang sembut Menteri Rang Ba, Preston tensang, bat kiwei Menteri Sarkar. Ka Pasyih-Garrampani Road, ka dikawai ki Surok Ba, haka Jela, ka sedang na pramer, ka penyaso nak Surok Jawai, syarata cerah, bat kaban kut syah saphai, hajan kaput jo ka Jela Asam. Kajing jerong jo kani Surok kalong 10 kilometer. Bat kabenta jo kani Surok nadu 80 kilometer, hadu 10 kilometer. Lamang lingba ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project kabala betingkar ka World Bank. Ya kajing tre ya kani Surok la IT Surok idhar Jevidhar Construction Company kabakot hadu Drupu Art Klur steng balabu ika thongman pendap hapo sapu al benai.
Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, when he said that India is like a body, and if the body needs to be healthy, not just the head or not just the legs, but the arms, the toes, the organs, they all must be healthy, and only then can a body be healthy. And he said that is why the northeast part of India also needs to develop if India has to be healthy and if India has to move forward. Similarly, when it comes to the state of Meghalaya, it is very important, friends, that every region, every area must develop for the state to move forward in a progressive manner. It is the endeavor of the MDA government to ensure that the development projects that we take up must be taken up throughout the region, in different parts of the state, and we must ensure that development reaches to every nook and corner of the state. Various schemes from central government, various schemes from PMGSY, various schemes from externally aided projects have come in, and we are seeing a transformation when it comes to the road sector. And as I mentioned, he has ensured that these road projects are not just in one particular region, but the entire state is covered with these projects. Similarly, in other departments also, the same kind of approach is being adopted. I'm also happy to tell you that once the road projects are done, they form the backbone of economic development for our state. When the roads are good, other forms of economic development, economic activity and prosperity comes to that region. I know that this region is very rich in agriculture products. This area is also very rich when it comes to tourism. And I'm sure the development of this particular road and many more that are taking place right now and many more to come in the future, there will be a huge boost to tourism and agriculture. Because friends, we must realize that as we move forward as a state, we have completed 50 years, or we are going to complete 50 years in the next 1 year as a state. It is important that we as leaders should also think of the next 50 years, what is going to happen to our state. And maybe in the next 50 years to come, we may not have the kind of mineral resources that are there in our state after 50 years, 100 years. And when that kind of situation comes up, as a state and as a people, we must be prepared to find parallel economic activities for economic growth of our state. And therefore, agriculture and tourism are going to be very, very crucial for the future economic activity for our state. I was in the morning speaking to some investors who are very, very keen on investing in biotechnology. Today, we can see that people from all over the world are coming here to buy the Lakadong turmeric. And it is not because they want turmeric, but it is because the ingredients that are there in the turmeric, which can be of high value to the pharmaceutical industry, is the reason for the high demand for products like the Lakadong turmeric, which has over 7-8% of curcumin content in it. So therefore, it will be the endeavor of this government to ensure that the value of these ingredients that are there in different products like the Lakadong turmeric can fetch the value and the returns come to our people. Rather than our products going outside and those same oils being extracted by other companies in other parts of this country, why can't we have our own extraction units out here? Why can we not have our pharmaceutical industry come up out here? Why cannot we have biotechnology research taking place in our own state, in this area, in this region? And maybe when we start doing that, Meghalaya could become a superpower when it comes to biotechnology, simply because we have the raw materials, we have the agriculture products that have got the ingredients that these biotechnology companies want. So therefore, in the long run, it will be important for us to start thinking in that line. And I'm sure that with visionary leadership like our local MLA out here and other leaders in our state, the state will move in the direction of economic progress.